Carl Jung said something very interesting about thought, about typical thought, normative thought. And he said the typical person doesn't think. What happens to the typical person is that thoughts appear to them and they accept them as axiomatically true without further investigation. And so, and I believe that to be the case. I think that in order to think critically, you have to set up in the theater of your imagination something that holds a proposition and defends it, and then an adversary or two adversaries that take it apart. And so you're actually producing a collective within that will then hash out the thought. But that's led me down the rabbit hole of trying to understand what we mean when we say something like, I thought, which would be the sort of thing that scientists would say when they're talking about how they do science. Well, I thought up my hypothesis. It's like, that's not much of an explanation there, buddy. Like, what do you mean you thought it up? Because you didn't know the hypothesis, let's say yesterday, and now you do know it. And so how did you not know it then? And how do you know it now? And how is it that that new idea manifested itself? And the answer is always going to be, well, it came to me.